Si RJ din. Nakikita ko magkakalaro yun.
Gago.
First ball for the Dragons. Number 22. Number 36. Yes, sir. 2 points, number 6. Rivera.
Lamig lang yung kon.
Number 16, Pan. Pass to number 25, 4-3. Yes, sir. 3-point, number 25. Number 1, number 1, pass to number 22. Same ball, sa number 1. Number 0. Rebound number 22. Yes, sir.
Kon! Lista mo, Kon! Lista mo, Kon! Tayo! Tayo!
Number 14 and number 16.
Gago.
Number 25. Tan. Holding to shoot. Tan all the way.
All the wings of love.
5 to shoot. Rebound number 0. Celestia, ginagawa na number 18, pass to number 12, number 12. Score, 4.
Agang trap ah.
Simhaw, pass to Dan. 14 seconds to shoot, hand to number 25, to number 18, for 3. Number 0-0. 6-3. Simhaw for 2. Yes, sir.
Ay, champion, men!
Nakapag-warm up.
Number 06. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Who's correct? Foul number 25. Your person to the top. First, Simhaw.
Iwat kali.
Number 60.
Tira.
4.
Pasok. Patay.
5 seconds to shoot. Kumama. Nagawa ka ba? Score 6-5.
Sep, ano ang ano natin ito? 1.2 ba? 1.3?
Alin?
Ang zoom natin ito. Sakto lang naman, 1.3 no? Masyadong malapit.
Lapit masyado.
Number dribbling. 10 seconds to shoot.
Asa?
Who's correct? Foul number 1. First person foul. Doping. First team foul. Number 25. For 3. Rebound number 6. Rivera. Rivera to number 12. Pablo. Number 1 passes versus 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22.
Nice! Gun! Time out gun!
8 point.
Gun! Time out gun!
For dribbling. Pass to number 25. Good time. 40 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Time. Yes, sir. 8-7. Number 22. Come on. Number 1. Number 6. First personal foul.
Ang lakas ni Kon! Ang lakas ni Kon!
Ba't di tayo mawag baka pagod na?
Wala nang free throw. Second free throw. Ready players.
Basket timeout kami.
Okay, sir. Number 25. Number 14, Vanessa. Yes, sir. Change favor, 9-8. Rebound to number 1. Vanessa, you step. Still. Number 25, still. Simple, still number 1. Hand. Chris Barrett, foul number 22. Your first personal foul, both teams, second team foul.
Shoot yan.
Unang free throw, wala. Second free throw. Get ready players, rebound.
Get ready, Virgins, at maghuhubad.
10-8. Still by number 16, Danny. Carry the ball. Time out. Team
Tinatawagan.
Cardinals.
Tinatawagan.
This stepping.
Lifting? Hindi, sabi niya yun. Hindi, lifting nga.
Tingnan mo.
Ram, ano tawag doon? Lifting? Lifting? Carry. Meron pa rin pala yun. Akala ko wala yun.
Carrying.
Ang obvious ah.
Back to the ball game.
Ang tabing.
Get ready players. Falcon balls. Number 1, pass to number 00.
Ay, sayang.
Still by number 18, Vanessa.
Sayang, bakante na yun, di ba? Bakante na yun.
Pull up.
Time check, 2 minutes, first quarter.
Ligay.
18. 0-0. Yes, sir. Change favor.
Please!
10 all.
10 all pala.
Number 1. Celestia pass to number 0. Call number 25. Your second personal foul, 13 foul. Rebound.
Nice.
Wala. Rebound na. Done all the way. Yes, sir. 12-10. Best pass. Pass to number 1. Celestia.
Counted.
Who's well? Foul number 18.
Parang hindi talaga na si Ferenzeno. Ay, si Daniel na. Ganda ng counted. Shoot it. Kaya ba, Kon?
Seconds. Foul number 12. 22 seconds.
Sir, pa-control nga, sir. Saglit, sir.
Wala. Number 25. Wala. Wala pa rin. 14 seconds.
Adjust lang yun, nila.
Foul number 00. 13 seconds, remaining time. Warning for penalty voting. Wala pa rin. 5 seconds. Basag na lang yan.
Shoot to.
Ay puta, hindi ko na nagalaw. Kakanood, puta, hindi ko na nagalaw.
Picture score 30-12. Favor of Falcons 1 point.
Si Pili talaga.
Hindi na sila.
Direkta talaga. Walang masa. Sige, wala mag-win.
Second quarter players. All players, paalala po, pag hindi na po kaya, magkapalit po tayo sa team natin. Second quarter, begins ball.
2-8-8-3 ako. Pag ano.
Number 11, Klein. Rebound number 5.
Kali! Kali!
Number 77. Number 16. Foul number 26. First personal foul. First team foul. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 77 for Green. Sir. 16-12. Number 28. Bilang pass number 7. Number 7, Guillermo. To number 10. Forty to shoot. Number 26. Rebound number 5.
Kabila!
Passing number 77, Lloyd. Putani. Foul number 28.
Kali! Kali!
First personal foul. Second team foul for BGs. 14 to shoot. Number 16. Robin is not left.
Dribble muna.
Pinulap.
Ha?
Tiniran na sa ano.
16-12, favor of Falcons. Guillermo, to number 11. Jack. 14 seconds to shoot. Who's for rep? Number 14. First team foul, first personal
Ball!
foul.
Tira, ball! Ball! Tira! Tira!
Get ready players for rebound. Yes sir. 16-13, favor of Falcons pa rin. Number 15 for 30, pass to number 77, Lloyd. To Mr. Winner. To number 16. Rebound number 28, number 20, pass to number 11, Jack. Foul number 5. First personal foul, both teams, second team foul.
Anong palaapat dito kabila eh? Anong palaapat?
Second free throw, get ready players, rebound.
Kali! Dito!
Pass to number 15, Mr. Yo. Mr. Yo away. Foul number 10. First personal foul, third team foul for Higgins. Villaroya, pass to number 16, number 16, 10 seconds to shoot. Villaroya, right? And one. Foul number 10 again.
Nice one, man!
Your second personal foul, one for penalty. Get ready for your body shot for rebound. Rebound number 14, Kali. To number 16.
Piso!
Yes, sir.
Piso! Lots of
20-13. Number 26. To number 28. To number 2, Guerrero.
Kali, receive Kali!
Kali. To number 16.
Kiniti ba kasi? Tira na!
Sayang, Tianasen.
Diretso na!
Guillermo. Rebound number 77 to number 15. Mr. Yo, Eurostep. Yes, sir.
Ay, hindi. Sorry, hindi ko nakuha.
22-13. Time check, 3 minutes 50. Still got Which ball rep?
No?
Foul number 2.
Time out.
Time out. Higgins, kailan po na po yan?
Kali! 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 Bet! Nice counted, Bet! Bibigyan na. Dahil sabihin na duhater, ha? Counted, ha?
Back to the ball game. Penalty na po yan. Ang Higgins.
Hindi ko na maano yung ano, umaangat tsaka bumababa siya.
Shooting ka na. Shooting ka na score nila, pre. Ay, sorry, nahugot. Nahugot. Kanan. Sep, dinaanan mo yung wire. Nadaanan mo yung wire. Sabit. Tayo na lahat, score. Ulit na, umpisa. 0-0 na ulit. Sapatos ka na rin. Ay, God. Bigay mo na, Lord.
Number 11, John, for Green. Mr. Yo, ordering pass to Lord. Lord to number 16. Robin.
Bili na ng bago sapatos!
Dylan Tapa. Pass to number 11 to number 28 for Green. Yes, sir! 3 points number 26, Dimitrio. Kali. To number 16. Foul number 26.
Nuts!
Penalty. Your second personal foul, number 26, Dimitrio.
Remedyo! Pagkulang sa remedyo!
Wala na ng free throw, get ready player to rebound. Ready 5-16. 16, time check, 1:20, second quarter. Number 28, Villacapa to number 26. Villamor, 14 to shoot. Villamor, foul number 14. Second personal foul, 10 to shoot. Third team foul. Villacapa for 2. His corner number 16. First personal foul, barring for penalty, Patrons.
Pumasok sa dito. Nag-asip ka siya ba? Ha?
24 seconds na lang po ang nakikita.
10 minutes. Oh, pwede na. Third, saan? Third? No bearing naman yung laro nyo. Paalam ka lang, Mike. Dito, Mike. Paalam ka lang.
20 seconds, players. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang yan. Official score 25-17 favor of Patrons.
Kucinta! 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 Kuto kucinta! Dami, mayroon. Dami.
Third quarter players. Sir, number 31, yung pintas po, Mr. Merrick. Pintas. All players, pag hindi na po kaya, sir, ha? Paalala po.
Masama daw pakiramdam
Papalit po tayo sa
Si
next natin.
Mike, tatry lang daw niya. Sabi
Sino?
ko, si Mike. Si Mike, manyalak ba?
Huwag mo palaroin kung masama pa
Hindi, sabi ko, try mo lang. Kung hindi kaya, sabihan mo lang. Sabi ko, no bearing naman yung laro niya. Sabi ko,
Ano kasi seryoso ka mga to.
acidic, sabi ko, acidic. Acidic eh. Hindi, baka pag nagpasab, sabihan mo lang na si Mike. Sabihan mo lang si Mike.
All players. Traveling number 1. Number 16, hand. Number 16. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 16. Mula. Number 22. Passes number 31. Number 22, Tenor, pass to number 6, Rivera. Yes, sir. 27-17, 10.3 for Patrons. Number 25, 3 point.
Mainit si Mike, mainit si Mike. Mainit.
Maaga nag-warm up eh.
Mainit. Wala dami kayo dyan, man! Wala na video! Mike!
Vanessa. Pass to number 0. 14 seconds to shoot.
Sed, konti Sed.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. 5 to shoot. Steal by number 18. Number 18, Barbosa. To number 16, man. Easy good points. 27-22. Yung manalitin. Number 0. 4, pass to number 31. Number 31. 14 seconds to shoot. Rivera. Net number 6. Number 14. Barbosa. Pass the time. Number 16 for 3. Rebound number 0-0. Number 1. Chris Barrett. Foul number 18. Number 18, second personal foul, personal foul.
Time out daw, time out.
Kenny 22. Foul number 31. Time out. Number 31, first personal foul, both team first team foul.
Kala ko kanina, sushoot mo na eh.
Okay lang yun. Natago ko yun.
Paidan pa kayo.
Natago ko sa mapawis. Puta, madali sa mapawis. Nakakashoot eh.
To the ball game.
Ikali na.
Get ready players. Number 18, Barbosa for 3. Time. Halibo rebound. Pass to number 1, Celestial. Uy! Grabe kasi, ginabawa pa. Rebound number 7, Hali. Number 6 for rebound. Number 18 to number 25 for 3. Grabe, 28-25. 3-point para sa Dragons.
Mainit si Meng, mainit si Meng.
Kala, siya na dito na eh.
Siya na lang yung i-score eh.
Steal by number 6. Pass to number 16. Time. Number 25 again. Rebound for 9. Yes, sir. 28-27. 1-point lead. Para sa Falcons. Kyle crossover. Number 31. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal. Substitution ulit. Sub.
Talig.
Challenge.
Wait na, Rad. Hindi ba mga ano?
Challenge sana ako eh.
Balita. Ha? Balita sa'yo.
Goodbye. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by
Hindi
Kyle.
nakakatakbo-takbo ka na. Di ba? Hindi pa rin.
Hand all the way. Rebound by number 77, Lloyd to number 1. Easy 2 points, number 2.
Nice, Mike! Lakas team mo ngayon eh.
30-27. Tatlong lang ulit.
Sino lamang? Tatlo? Init si Meng.
Hand. For
Patay.
three.
Patay.
Rebound number 77, Lord crossover. Lord all the way.
Mark! Kita,
Chris
Mark.
Barrett, foul number.
Dito ko.
Substitution, foul number 25. Number 25, third personal foul, sir. Second team foul for BGs. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, good. Get ready players, rebound. 32-27. Number 16, Han. Passing number 11, Ja. To number 2, Guillermo. Sir. 32-29. Number 14, Kali. Kali. Musbal Red. Foul number 6. Substitution. Sige po, pasok na siya. Bro, 16.
Lasop? Wala.
First personal foul, Dan. Third team foul for Beaches. Number 21. 14 seconds to shoot. Kali. Rebound number 16, Kali. To Ja. Wala. Rebound ni Guerrero. Yes, sir.
Technical mo, Rap!
32-31, 1 point lead.
Technical mo yan, Rap! Technical mo yan!
Isa na lang po ang mga Falcons.
Warning mo yan, Rap! Amat! Ayabang yan! Sa may drone out.
Tatlo kayo dyan, tatlo kayo sa gilid!
Pass to Guerrero. Guerrero. Yes, sir.
Init, mainit.
Change
Balik, balik,
dribble.
balik di pa isa, gilid!
33-32. Kali to number 12. Rebound number 14. To number 25.
Apat kayo, apat!
Guerrero. Yes, sir.
Nalalas! Nalalas!
35-32.
Lakas ni Gago.
Number 31. Pass to number 16. Still by number 16. Guerrero. Sige po, asap na, asap. Sige po, asap na siya.
Travel! Travel, travel.
Kali. Still by number 25. Number 25, Eurostep.
Nice, Kali! Nice, Kali! Ayaw kasi bigay spoon guard eh.
Kali. Lord all the way. Wala pa rin. 1 minute. Third quarter. Pass to number 25. To number 2, Guerrero. 14 seconds to shoot. Ja. Yes, sir. 37-32.
Yan na nilalaro nila kanina, nag-collapse.
Mr. Go. Foul number 2.
Mark, tabi
Your
Mark!
second personal
Mark!
foul running for penalty, BJs.
Nakita ba?
10 seconds to shoot. Lord. Who's gonna foul number 1? And number 11. Penalty po yan. 17 seconds remaining time for the third quarter.
Hayaan nyo lang, huwag na kayo mag-rebound.
Get ready players, rebound.
Substitution! Last shot!
Ayaw mo nun, makapahinga ka maaga.
10 seconds, 10 seconds!
Foul, foul.
Foul number 15. Quick lang! Katsok! Cut! 3 seconds!
Counted. Yan na, Kem. Kita, Kem. Kita. Yabang o. Yabang si Gago.
37
Mainit.
counted ball.
Travel. Adel. Piso-piso ah.
Antay namin si Jumar. Technical ka, naabot ako sa likod. Puta, na-shoot ko po.
Last quarter players.
Claim.
Last quarter players. Team Patos.
CR lang ako. Ihilang ako. Huwag kang mag-glove. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Bakit tayo? Sorry.
Wait. Shot clock.
Okay. Last quarter players. Guillermo. For number 26.
Tira!
Guillermo. Foul number 25. First personal foul, first team foul. All players, paalala po, hindi ko kaya, magpapalit po tayo sa team number 26.
Ay, kunin mo yung matike!
Number 1, Celestial. Number 16. Number 16 again, wala pa rin, rebound number 26.
Diragan.
Number 26.
Shot!
Pass to number 28. Dinadaka. 14 seconds to shoot.
Hey.
Number 28. Reset 14. Number 26. 10 to shoot. Steal by number 1. Pass to number 25. Draws. Oh, 37.
Nana, ay.
Number 28. 13 seconds to shoot. Guillermo. Number 6. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 25. Jones. Rebound number 1 for 3. Rebound number 10. Pass to Guillermo. Guillermo for 3. Yes, sir! Tatawag ka lang. 40-37. Number 2. Sige po, pasok na.
Kim, ano? Pakita mo.
Number 2, third personal foul, Mr. Guillermo. OT, first team foul. Celesta. Rebound number 6.
Big rebound.
Number 26. for 3. Grabe rebound number 6 na yun. Who's back? Foul number 5. Second personal foul, second team foul for Panthers. Malaman for 3, wala. Foul number 10.
Tinawaan. Ah!
Your third personal foul, number 10. Second team foul, both team.
Ano?
Kasi patay na. Nung meron yung puta na injured pa kayo doon.
Yeah, pahinga ka na. Diyan ka lang sa tabi ko.
Ito pa na doon.
Two number 2, number 3. Rebound number 5. Pagkabiling sabi na
Travel.
Wala naman.
score 40-37 favor of BG. 14 seconds to shoot, number 26 for 3.
Ay!
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 Tinay!
Ano ba yan? Yung butingi kanina, kunin mo na.
Number 6, Ruben.
Bumababa.
Guillermo for 3. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 25. Jones. Foul number 26. Time out.
Hindi umabot.
Falcons. Number 26, your third personal foul, third team foul. Score 40-37.
Number 26, yung butike, kunin mo doon, no?
Ano sa wire pre? First aid kit pa rin kayo.
Rivera. 2 points.
Nabitawan! Kagana! Nabitawan!
40-39, 1 for BG. Villalapa, pass to San. Number 28. 14 seconds to shoot, Guillermo. 10 seconds to shoot.
Yari.
Who's back? Number 77, Lloyd. First personal foul, both team. Third, team foul. 14 seconds. Hand.
Kanina.
Put to Guillermo for 3. Rebound for time, 50. Hand. Yes, sir. 42-39. Number 25, Jones. Rebound number 16. Pass to number 25. Number 25.
Nice!
Sige po. Substitution.
Next game, wala ka na din.
Nagawa rin ang rebound ng 29.
Yun o, 25 no.
Eight seconds to shoot. Screen by number 77, Lord. Your second personal foul, awarded for penalty or PG. Deputy players will now. Hero number 25, 42-40, favor of Pigeons. Number 11, Jack. Number 25, 40 to shoot, time for 2. Magawa kita ulit ng number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Guillermo. Yes, sir. Last two.